What's up, guys? I welcome you to another part of our Facebook timeline banner design in Adobe Photoshop, and I hope you're having a nice time over there. And in today's class, I'm going to teach you how you can create a simple restaurant Facebook timeline in Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is to go to File and click on New to make a new page. All right, guys, so we have to set up the page just like how we did the last time. So it's going to be 851 by 315. So it has to be in pixels, right? So we have to come here and type in Facebook timeline banner design. So we make sure that our resolution is 300. Then the color should always be in RGB. Finally, we come down below here and click on create. Alright, friends, so the next thing I'm going to do is to come to the Home tab and toolbar here. I'm going to right click. I'm going to select circle. Then I can apply stroke color to be black for now. Then I will draw circle, shift key and hotkey to draw the perfect circle. I think I'm satisfied with this size. And I'm going to close this. I will select my move tool now. Having selected my move tool, I will have to go to the Home tab here. I'll look for select and click on all. Now I have to come here and make sure that I align to horizontal center and vertical center, something like this. Then I have to come back here, select and deselect, just to take away the interlace. So I have to take this back a little bit like this. Now what I'm going to do next is that I'll come back to the background here from the layer panel. I'll select the background and I'll create a new layer. Having created a new layer, so I'll have to select my pen tools now. So having selected my pen tools, then I will make some parts right here. Then I'll make a curve part like this. Like this, like this. Then I'll come here and make sure I close the parts. And I will remove the stroke. Right. So one other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come here and I will right click. I'll make a duplicate of this shape. So duplicate layer and click on OK. So the duplicate one, I'll press Ctrl T to open the transform tools, and I will right click. Then I'll make sure I rotate to horizontal. Then the rotation one, I will rotate back to vertical. Then rotate back to horizontal. Very good. So I will take it down and make sure I maintain intersect. Then I'll select this to accept. Now what I'm going to do next is that I'll have to come to the layer panel here. So I will press Shift key on my keyboard and select the fourth shape, and I will right click and look for merge shape. Now the shape have become one. Okay. So I need to come back here and select the background shape, and I'll make a new layer. Now I have to right click here and select rectangle, another rectangle. Then I'll come to the home tab here. I will remove the stroke color, and I'll select this. I will make sure I change the color to black. Then I will draw the rectangle down here. So now I have to change this color. I will come to the layer thumbnail. I will double click on layer thumbnail to bring out the color picker. So here I will change the color to So I'm going to use this type of dark blue, and I click on OK. Then I'm going to close this. Now I have to work on this particular layer right here. So I will double click here, and I'm going to change the color. So I need something like this type of yellow here. Good. Now click on OK. Now here I have to come here and go to File and Place Embedded. I have to look for pictures. So I need food picture. So I'm going to use this pizza and then click on Place. So Shift key and resize. Now I'll come to the Home tab here and click on this Confirm Transform. Then I'll come to the layer panel here. I will right click on the picture layer and then create clipping mask. Now I will arrange my food. So Control T to open the transform tools again, and Shift key and hotkey to drag. So I have my food right here, like this. Let me see. So I don't want the food to fool the shape. Let's see what we can do. Okay. Then accept. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select the circle. Then I will double click the layer thumbnail. I will fill the color with this white or so. Everything has been balanced right here. So I have to select this background now. Then I'll have to go back to File, Place Embedded. I still need some food picture. Now I can pick on this and place. So I'm going to take this down here. So I can increase the size, shift key and hotkey and drag just to increase the size. So I can, everything can full. Okay, so I can click on accept transform. Now I have to select the yellow background now, and I will use my forward arrow key just to tap like this and like this and like this. Then Control T to open the transform tools. So I need to Control key down to drag only this part. Okay. And okay. So I'm satisfied with that. So now I have to come back to the new picture layer. Then I'll come to the layer panel here. I'm going to turn down the opacity from 100% so that this is a faded background picture. So this has become a faded background picture. I think I'm satisfied with this size. Now I'm done with the layout and everything you need to know about creative food Facebook timeline in Adobe Photoshop. So I want you guys to use your own initiative and put in text into this banner, send it to me, and let me assess it and see how far you are able to understand the concept of this banner. And also, if you need all this picture that we use in this design, kindly let me know and let me see what I can do, and I will send it to you guys so that your practical will be very much easy for you. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope to hear from you guys soon. Bye.